Hi, good morning. My name is Sumedha. I'm the faculty for housekeeping and front office for Rice College of Hotel Management. The previous lecture, we studied about the personal attributes of housekeeping staff, and next we'll go today is for the organization structure of the housekeeping department. The organization structure of the housekeeping department, whether it is small, medium, or large hotel, it's depicted using its organization chart. An organization chart is a systematic representation of a relationship between the position within an establishment, showing where each position fits into the overall organization and illustrating the divisions of responsibilities and lines of authority. What it says is that every hotel, whatever category the hotel is, however small or big it is, every organization has its hierarchy where the job descriptions and the designations are derived from them and their responsibilities are given to them. The housekeeping department is a hotel, is headed by the executive housekeeper. He or she is responsible for the upkeep of the hotel. He or she reports to the general manager or the resident manager or the rooms division manager in a larger hotel. In the case of a chain of hotels, the executive housekeeper also reports to the director of housekeeping, who heads the housekeeping department in all the hotels of that chain. The deputy housekeeper assists the executive housekeeper, and depending on the size of the property, there can also be assistant housekeeper who looks after the various areas of responsibilities in the hotel. That is floor, public area, linen room, and the desk control. It's like every hotel has their own way of working. Depending on the size of the hotel, the executive housekeeper reports to the different designations of the higher authority, that can be either the general manager, rooms division manager, or the resident manager that is there. And assisting to the executive housekeeper is the deputy housekeeper, who also parallelly looks into the responsibilities of that executive housekeeper does. Here, the deputy housekeeper is the assisting person to the executive housekeeper, who is the eye of the executive housekeeper after the services done by the supervisors or the executives of housekeeping. The areas that they have to take care is the floor, that is the rooms where they allotted to the guests, the public areas, the linen rooms, the desk control, so on. At times, even the back areas have to be taken care by the housekeeping, and there as well the supervision is required. Thank you.